Hi Hilma, good evening. I'm Dr. Shiny Anthony and I'm a certified personal trainer from Mumbai University. Today let me show to you one exercise which is really good for our abs. Okay, please watch. Lie down like this in the supine position. Can you look at me once, honey? Yeah. And then keep your hands under your gluteus muscle. Legs straight. Now flex it to 90 degree. Exhale and take it up. Shh. Down. Exhale and take it up. Shh. Shh. I hope you got it.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Hands on the gluteus muscle. Yes. You
And then
up. Flex it. Yes. Up. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Very good. Oh, thank you, dear. Thanks a lot. God bless. Thank you. Yeah, you have to have almost, at least you should do around 8 certifications every day continuously. It will be really good for your abs. Thank you.